Hello Lefty Wannabes and welcome to my channel, Right Left Hand. Today is maintenance 9 because we're starting the month of May, so let's go ahead and get started. As per usual, I'm going to write the significance of the day over in the left hand margin. It's Mate 9 2019. And we'll go ahead and get started with writing everything out. So we do the uppercase alphabet, the lowercase alphabet, and then the numbers 1 through 10. So yeah, because I'm starting a new side, I hope that I don't mess up. Usually that happened to me, in like the first year of doing this, is that I would periodically miss letters or numbers or something because partially I wasn't paying attention, and hopefully you guys can see this. Yeah. And so now that I'm back on this side, in fact it looks like I'm probably writing a little bit bigger than normal, so we'll see how that continues throughout this side of the page. It's common for me to be pretty consistent once I do something, but we'll see how that goes. So yeah, I'm definitely writing the lowercase alphabet smaller, but that's to be expected because I am writing smaller. Alright, so let's go ahead and finish out with the numbers 1 through 10. Yeah, it's just a little bit disorienting for me always to start on the new side of a page, but pretty soon I'll be coming up on that on not just this, but some of the other series as well. Alright, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Come back next week to practice with me. Alrighty, goodbye.